Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm gonna walk you through how to apply an e-visa or you can say online visa to travel to Cayman Islands. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I've opened this website of Cayman Islands government, and under immigration section, if you scroll down, they have this visas. Okay. So now it opens the custom and border control page. If you go down, they have this visa online. Okay. So they have a section for visitor visa applications. You can click on that. So what are the things you need? This is the fee, Cayman Island dollars, $92 or USD 112.2. Full face passport size photo, bank statement, evidence of your current employment or studies, valid passport with 6 months validity remaining, original signed and sealed police clearance certificate from last place of residence. Children below age of 18 required to produce a birth certificate. Okay. Personal circumstances, evidence of marital status, payslip, additional sources of income. This is for transit, so I won't cover those. And also, some nationalities do not need a visa. So if you fall under those, then you don't. But anyway, if you need a visa, you can click here. Now they have two links: application for general visitor and student. I select for general visitor. Okay. And also they have given you the document checklist. So first you need to put the captcha, and to be honest, guys, I'm very bad in doing this. But bear with me. Okay. Wow, 9 pages. So let's say I'm selecting single entry. Okay. Go next. About you. I'm putting sample, but you do it as per your own case. Date of birth. Everything you enter here, match it at least 2 times with your passport. Place of birth, its country name is coming. Nationality, gender, status, father's name, first name. Wow. All sample guys, do it as per your own case. Mother's name, passport, issue date, expiry. Place of issue, you can check your passport, what it says. Is this your first passport? I select yes. If old, you need to provide that details too. Current address. I'm just putting sample. You do at plus your own case. Mailing address same as home. I can do that. Contact detail, mobile number, following format. Okay. So your country code and then number, home number, email address is very important. Don't do like this. Do it correctly. National format. Or maybe because it is exceeding 10 digits, that's why it's like not sure, guys. Yes, I was correct. Your family. Are you married or living single? I select no. Do you have any children? I select no. Have you traveled outside your home country? If you select yes, I mean you have definitely to provide information. But this is sample video. I'm saying no, but always good. Always provide correct information. Previously visited, I assume your first. Refused entry, refused to visa entry to other country. Refused entry reported from leave to Cayman UK overseas territory. Criminal conviction, commission preparation. I said no. Medical and dependent suffering from contagious disease. I select no. But if you have definite about your stay, how long you wanna stay? I'll say like 10 days. Purpose of travel, I select leisure. How long do you desire your entry visa to be valid for? When you are arriving, do it as per your own case. Departure, please give the full address, telephone number, all the places you will be staying. Can I bypass this? No, you have to provide that detail. Accommodation type, hotel. +1. If you have booked hotel, definitely your finance and dependent. Employment information, financial information, how much are available for you? Currency as a US dollar, 15. This is not mandatory information here, so I'm skipping it just because my intention is to show you as a sample video, but definitely provide you employment and financial information, monthly income, everything that you want to provide. Who is paying for your trip? I'll say myself. Documents. Document checklist hasn't populated, so you need to do that. Full face, passport size photograph, police clearance, picture, passport picture, evidence for source of income, bank statement. Yeah, definitely provide all this, whatever you can. Next is gonna be other information and summary. Of course, I'm not gonna do that, but you got an idea how to do this. So this is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.